Amidst the hustle and bustle of the city, Priyam residence stands as a serene oasis, seamlessly blending modern architecture with the beauty of nature. A collaborative masterpiece by landscape design studio Kiasma and A01 architects, it embodies the intention of creating a space where residents can deeply connect with the natural world. Central to the design is a profound respect and embrace of the existing environment. Centuries-old trees are integrated as key elements in the spatial arrangement, providing shade and lushness. Meanwhile, the architectural design emphasizes simplicity and harmony with the landscape. The gentle curves of the building echo the organic forms of nature, softening the starkness often associated with modern architecture. The allocation of outdoor living spaces is meticulously designed to accommodate a variety of activities, from outdoor seating areas under the shade of mature trees to a versatile waterfront terrace that can adapt to different needs. Custom-designed stone benches reflect the sky and water, fostering a sense of connection with nature at all times. Priyam residence is more than just a dwelling, it's an experience of living in close proximity to nature. The attention to detail in the design and the selection of materials that blend with the surroundings create an atmosphere of tranquility, relaxation, and well-being for its inhabitants. Here, architecture and nature converge harmoniously, giving rise to a space of true happiness and sustainability.